In today's video, I'll show you how to hide appointment types in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to control what services clients can see or temporarily remove certain bookings from your public page, this method will help you do it easily. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your services are listed. Now find the appointment type you want to hide from your booking page. Click on it to open the settings. Next, look for the option that controls visibility. This is usually labeled something like Show on Scheduling Page or Visible to Clients. Turn this option off to hide the appointment type from your public booking page. After that, save your changes. Now that service will no longer appear to clients when they visit your scheduling link, but it will still exist in your system for internal use. If you ever want to bring it back, simply go to the same setting and turn visibility back on. You can also use this method to temporarily hide seasonal services or fully booked offerings without deleting them. Before finishing, check your booking page in preview mode to confirm that the hidden service is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully hidden appointment types in Acuity Scheduling and controlled what clients can see on your booking page. And that's how you hide appointment types in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.